Okay, yeah, this is OPTV. If today is the first time you're watching OPTV, please click on the subscription button and click on the notification bell. So any video that I upload, you'll get it straight up. Yeah, that 7th January. And 7th January, so now Akufo-Addo besi Ghana kunyaso say, I mean, as a president-elect again, what I say? Into no omo Parliament House so omo ko vote. What I say? Now omo dey Speaker of Parliament. Into and Parliament, you know, into omo ko Parliament in Ankasa no. What I say? That's the main purpose, to vote and then I mean no omo to vote and elect Speaker of Parliament. No omo asena yeden omo dey Akufo-Addo so yeden. E dey esi akunya no so because we have already done our votings and this is the time that the president will come and take over. So they need Speaker of Parliament. Now only Nema ACC like I don't get it. We say omo voting for the Speaker of Parliament. And after omo the ballot box on the now we have a tam omo the besua na NDC have a tam no the Ghana no the besua na MP before tam no the Ghana. Like I mean Parliament, those who are taking decision for Ghana, I don't get it. I mean, these people, you are calling yourself the leaders. You are calling yourself, I mean, the brilliant people we are, I mean, following. Or you people are our mentor. And look at what you people are doing in Parliament. This is crazy. I don't get it. And then, I mean, they are running helter and skelter with this military for air. I mean, I don't get it. And you know, me person who now video no the so Ghana Parliament and penifona ye kase omona omu take decision for the family. Oh, penifona ye kase omu take decision for the country, you know. What the emotion your omo ye na so omu like I don't get it. What I say? Yeah, I am penny for. I don't get it. And you say Accra or no, you say the powerful be na say a more penny for move to Ghana for penny for like Ghana for penny for my mana like Afuna more we penny for crown and mu say no. Na ya am crown so ye ko ye bia o betimi the police ni aba betimi ana. And then the like won't me that. Into the more we penny for and will say you have to do things that we the youth we will learn from you. You get what I mean? Do things that we can learn from you. Don't do, I mean, like you people are spreading violence in our various communities and our various villages. You get it? Because you people don't respect this peace. You people have been speaking of peace, but Parliament in Ghana. Look at what you people are doing. I mean, like Afunayen, Afunayen. What is it? And you say who, but Afunayen, and then the Kwande Afunayen. I will say you can. What is it? Because Ghana is a country. In fact, say mini Ghana, and I don't say Ghana is a country. What is it? Because just talk Ghana, what does it mean to me? Can't control. You get what I mean? You get it? So. Ghana penny for I was somewhat tenacity because penny for you people are taking decision for us. So you have to, I mean, wise up and then do things in the good way. Don't, I mean, promote violence in our country because we don't tolerate this. I mean, enough is enough. This madness must stop. It is no good. You get what I mean? Someone can say one in the Ecoso Ghana Parliament. One can say one in the Ecoso. Like it is unbearable. What is it? We know like. We have to speak out. What is it? Because like Aburuso, what is it? Omono muye penny phone. What is it? Intini say oh we penny phone because we say we penny na and was we ya dia abofra oyede osuan. What is it? What we dey make no. And was we ya dia abofra e besuan wa like ebe good. And ya dia abofra besuan wa wo besan tiano daachi. Oh, na se muna muye mpanyimfo na se mo kum wo parliament ya nti no mo person aye mo France no yenye den what you say because bad thing na mo promoting no e wo country no what you say nti no like me say so mo so I after election so no the minority no omona say Speaker of Parliament. Now that means MPP for no mwenya, but na mom NDC for no mwade omoba be yinipa ewuma ono ye Speaker of Parliament. What is it? Intina kwa say I divide into two. Intina ama asento kwa ne hu kro ba ayeden ekoso ewo Parliament. What you say? Decision time ewo Parliament. Like I don't get it. What I say, and in Penifona more Ghana and one pep be any the anke cantromo because we say we a penny, not say one more or like 1 year near my year. I could have to make us against you. What I say, because Ghana, no Ghana, yeah, like small country, I was say, Obia to make us against you. What I say, and say, and I'm more bad demeanor, so not say, or more against Ghana. Yeah, no, like a bit affected because we say, yeah, you walk on to we say, oh, who could show be who catch them say we are Ghanaian. They respect you a lot. They give you respect. What is it? Because Ghana, when say Ghana is a peaceful country, you get it. So they give you a lot of, respect. But if you, the leaders, you have started this, what do you think people would? Talk about Ghanaians. You get what I mean? So we are not going to sit back and watch you people do these things. And shame Ghana. You get it? Or tarnish the image of Ghana. You get what I mean? So this thing must stop. This thing must stop. It is no good. You get what I mean? Because Ghana is our country, and then we are coming for Ghana. You get what I mean? So you people cannot come because of some some money that you will be cheating, and some money that you will be spent, some money that you will be stealing in Parliament. You will use that things, and then you'll be, hey, sure, Ghana is my country. We will not sit back. So because of that, your money that you people have been stealing, you people want to spoil Ghana for us. Hey, sure, this time around, sure, mamokra, and more Ghana, despite Father Dixon, Mona highly respected people. So you people should, Mon Pepe being country. What I say, Mon Pepe being country, because this is crazy. Oh goodness, like me feel shame. Say Ghana, yes sir. Why I say me feel good because say me nam na say obi the video, but me say Ghana Parliament, when your omoya your country. What I say? Emrofono so bi wo we say omunim say we Ghana ni a wonam ho ana omaba. Oh, hwe ne ekoso Ghana Parliament like. I will feel shame. What I say, young penny for people who are taking decision for us. Look at what they are doing. I can't think far. I can't think so much. Like Lewin say, I can't think far because this doesn't make sense. You get what I mean?